We have state and history. We have this concept of memory, and we have this idea of structured outputs, right? Um, when we think about state and history, well, think about this as really just, your conversation context, right? So our conversation context, and then you have one person, and then the agent responds, and then you have this back and forth, right? You can consider that as to be a part of the history, but maybe there's other things in the history, like you have some tools that are called. So what are tools? Tools are basically these capabilities that we can use that don't exactly that aren't exactly LLM calls, but they could be, for example, accessing an API, going and hitting Wikipedia to get a more factual result, going and hitting a calculator, going and doing some currency conversion, what have you, right? So there could be those types of things as well that get wrapped in.